This week on The Cone, we're talking about the cost of vet care and making sure that you can afford it. Let's go.
And now, the vet who treats ducks even though they have outstanding bills, Dr. Andy Roark.
So what can we do to make sure vet care stays affordable?
Help our pets get jobs that have health benefits.
Marry a veterinarian.
No, and maybe. Listen, I love being a veterinarian, but my heart breaks when people can't afford the treatments that their pets need. Today's episode is all about helping people prepare financially in case an emergency arrives. Here are my top 5 tips for paying for veterinary care. Pet emergency fund. Medical emergencies happen, and if you have to rush your pet into the emergency vet in the middle of the night, it is not at all uncommon for you to be looking at a bill that's well over $1,000. Consider starting a pet emergency fund. Just set up a savings account where you're going to put money that is only to be used for emergency medical conditions for your pet. Even if you only put away $1 per day, over time, you can build a nice cushion. The downside to this is it requires discipline and it takes a long time to build that amount up.
Or I could just change the name of my kid's college fund.
Pet insurance. I tell people that if you would do anything for your dog or cat, but you might have trouble getting your hands on, say, $3,000 within a day, pet insurance is something worth looking into. What is covered under pet insurance varies with the company that you use as well as the plan that you choose. Some people pick a comprehensive plan and it covers routine care as well as emergency care. Other people want a lower cost plan that only covers illness. You want to consider getting pets covered while they're young and healthy so that you have coverage in place before any issues arise. Also, different breeds are prone to different illnesses, but any pet can have an accident, so you want to be prepared for that. Ask your vet for resources on common health conditions that can occur in your pet. Do your homework and choose a plan that's right for you. Look, I know the homework sucks, but if you don't do it, mom's not going to let you go to the dance on Friday. Talk to your vet. If you're concerned about being able to pay for care, say so. Tell your vet that finances are an issue and ask if there are more conservative approaches that you might take to help keep the costs down. Depending on the case and condition, your vet may be able to give you alternative approaches to care. Just make sure that you know what the risks are if you take a less expensive approach. Often, there are risks. If you've got credit cards, you may be able to request a limit increase. It never hurts to ask. Just give the credit card company a call. Sometimes I call, just when I have no one else to talk to. Also, many veterinarians can recommend temporary credit lines that are just for people who need to purchase medical care. You'll have to apply, but this is a possibility for pet owners in need. There are many animal welfare organizations that can maybe provide assistance, loans, or grants to pet owners in need. Ask your veterinarian if she has a list of these organizations in your area. Also, jump online and do your own research. Support is out there if you can find it, just like the truth and the A-Team. And finally, it never hurts to contact your local animal shelter and see if they can assist you or if they know someone who can. And that's our show. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this is really helpful. Please help me to help pets by liking, commenting, and sharing this video so that other pet owners see it and can use it. Until we meet again, let's be the people that our pets deserve.
Today's episode of Cone of Shame brought to you by Petplan Pet Insurance.